Okay, so today I am making butter noodles. I will be using 12 ounces of egg noodles. I have extra broad or the extra wide. You don't have to use the extra wide. Whatever you can find works. I have 3 tablespoons of butter. This is unsalted butter. I will be adding around a 1/4 cup to a 1/3 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. It's really up to you. I think this is around a 1/4 cup. And some fresh chopped parsley. I'll be seasoning with some salt and pepper, and I will be reserving some pasta water. Okay, so I brought my water up to a boil. I'm gonna add a 1/2 tablespoon to a tablespoon of salt. And now I'm going to add egg noodles. And the recommended boil time or cook time for this on the package is somewhere between 7 to 9 minutes. Just gonna give that a stir. And then just let it come back up to a boil and cook. Okay, so I'm gonna reserve some pasta water. I may or may not use it all. It's about a 1/2 cup that I reserved. That should be enough. And my pasta is done. So I'm going to shut off the heat and I'm going to drain the rest of the water. Okay, so this is off the heat. I'm just using this pan because it's easier to film. So now what I'm going to do is add my butter right into the hot noodles and just stir that in. I want it to melt. And I am going to go ahead and add a 1/4 cup of that reserved pasta water. And remember, the pasta water is salted, so don't add salt until you're done combining the butter and the pasta water and the cheese. But I want this butter to melt and get kind of creamy. Okay, so now I'm going to add my cheese. And remember, the cheese is also salty, so that's another thing to consider. And I think I need a little more pasta water to get things kind of creamy in there. Just give this a really good mix. Add some cracked black pepper to your preference, some fresh chopped parsley, and give it a mix. Give it a taste. If it needs salt, you want more cheese, and if you want more butter, add it. But this is easy butter noodles. And it's going to go great as a vessel or a side for the pot roast that I have in the oven. Okay, so here are my butter noodles. By the way, if you do not want cheese in this, butter, salt, pepper, any type of seasoning you want, you've got butter noodles. It's very simple, and it works great as a side or a vessel for any type of meat and gravy or creamy type dish that you want to make for dinner. I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.